My name is Sangeeta. I am from Gadag.
I am from you. You are from Gadar
Yes, I am
in
from Gadag.
Karnataka.
Yes, Kannada.
Okay.
Currently, I'm studying in BA second year.
Yes.
Um,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I like Hindustani music, and I learn Hindustani music, and I also like music. Currently, the subjects after Kannada and political science and history, major subjects.
Okay. So, which subject do you like the most?
Sorry,
Which subject do you like the most?
what's the
What's your favorite subject?
my favorite subjects optional Kannada.
Kannada.
Yes,
Okay. Like
and political science also like, but sometimes not like the subject.
so. Gadar is a type of state or village. Which type of Gadar?
Sorry, not get.
I'm saying Gadar is a state. Gadar is a city or
Oh,
village.
okay. Okay, I understand. I stay in a village now.
Gadar is a village.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So, your hobbies is singing music. Yes.
singing music, and also I like literature. I like literature and poems.
So you don't like English music?
I like English music, but I'm I'm not sing, but I listen only. Sold me, consoled me, and then I would never fall in love. How can you catch
Yes.
this?
So
All are good.
what's your dream? What do you want to be in your future? What's your dream? You want to become a singer,
I want to become a lecturer, optional Kannada lecturer.
lecturer of Kannada.
Yes.
Do you explore of other state?
No, no, I don't explore.
Okay, okay. Listen. So how many languages did you get and speak?
Only three, but Kannada is good, and
Kannada is
Hindi.
your native language.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Kannada is a mother tongue because I speak fluently, but English is second language. But I speak English, but not fluently, and understand English.
Okay, okay. Same here.
And
I'm also not influent in English.
then Hindi little bit understand, but I like Hindi songs and ghazals. I'm very like Hindi songs and ghazals. Like अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर ये दिल अभी बरा नहीं. I like
Yes, your
that.
voice is so sweet. Your voice is so clear.
Thank you.
And what do you think about UP?
Uh, think about UP.
Wow, yes, yes. What do you think about UP? Which type of state like UP?
UP Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, yes.
Um,
Tell me, what do you think about UP peoples?
I know ideas, but by the way, your state is UP, no?
Yes, yes. I'm come
Okay,
from UP.
okay, okay. Um, then you are happy, and you are
Yes, yes. You can ask me some question. I will answer you.
okay. Currently, what do you study? And
I have completed my 12th in 2025, and now I'm studying. I'm doing graduation from State University, and now I'm preparing for government job, government exam.
okay,
Yes.
your hobby?
My hobby is not is my special hobbies. When I get free, something I do. I like to know a new thing. I explore new thing.
Okay, unique.
Yes, yes. And I want to know
Okay,
about the other country, other temples, and
okay.
I like to watch Hollywood movies which are
Do
based
you
on
like?
scientific.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Do you like music, and which type of music you listen?
Especially I don't like music, but just like a listen, when I listen some music, I get free of mind. I
Okay,
appreciate the music sometimes when I get free.
okay.
Yes. And which type of movies do you watch? Do you watch
Movie.
movies? Yes, yes.
I don't. I don't like a movie first, but sometime I watch some movies and Kannada and English.
And English.
English movie Interstellar. One time I watched Interstellar movie.
Interstellar.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, which kind of movies do you watch? Like interesting, who based on which are action, which are based on scientific, which are based on like a universe. So, which type of movies do you watch?
Like scientist and then
Scientific.
universe.
Yes, yes. I also watch. I also like to watch this type of movies.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
I'll ask you some question. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
you get a chance to explore three country in the world.
Explore. Okay.
Explore three country in the world. So, what country do you choose? Will you choose?
What country?
And why?
Uh,
You don't get it.
I get it, but
You cannot explore. You cannot explain.
explore and explain. But explore. I like some countries, but not explore.
Not. I am not asking about explore. You get a chance. Suppose you get a chance to explore three country in the world.
Okay.
So, which country will you choose and why?
I choose Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes. Why? Because my friend is there, Malaysia.
Your
So
parent is from Malaysia.
yes.
Okay. And
No other.
other country. I will give you. I give you three country.
Yes, but
Try to explain. I'm just thinking about like your mind.
okay.
First is Malaysia. Okay. Because in Malaysia there is your friend.
Yes.
And second,
Uh, I like music, and then America because I like Western music. But how to learn opera music? Opera, I like opera, but how to India, uh, India, India in opera is there, but not learn to uh, chants in India.
okay, okay. So do you want to
Only
explore?
Carnatic, only Carnatic and Hindustani is there India,
Yes.
not teach to Western and opera music.
Okay. So you want to explore USA
Yes.
because you want to learn opera music. Yes.
Yes.
And third, left one country.
Third country. Uh,
Like so many, there are so many countries like China, Russia, Canada.
China.
There are so many countries. Japan, New Zealand.
Uh, no, I don't want to any country explore and one perspective like Malaysia. My friend is there, na,
Okay,
and then USA opera music.
from USA.
I want to learn opera music so any, and then any countries I don't explore it.
So I think you don't know about any country too much.
Yes.
Yes, that's why you are hesitate to tell me. So, and who is the CM of Karnataka?
CM of Karnataka now.
Yes, yes.
Now, D. Shivkumar.
Dikchu Kumar.
Yes.
So, what do you think about him? He is a good. He is fit for CM. He is not fit for CM.
I don't know him any information, but 2000. But instantly he appointed CM.
Instantly. Okay, okay, okay. So, so tell me something about yourself, about your thoughts, about your friend circle. I want to know about Karnataka. I don't know about Karnataka. What's the favorite dish? What's the favorite temple of Karnataka? And you suggest me what cities should I explore the Karnataka?
Karnataka. Um,
You tell me all over thing of about Karnataka.
okay.
Don't be hesitate. Just suppose I am your friend. Nothing else.
Okay, but how to explain that my thoughts in English because my problem.
You explore. Try to explain and wrong in right. There is no matter.
Yes, Karnataka is a good state.
Okay.
All are like Kolara. It's a Kolara district. It's a gold famous. Like Kolara in gold, like silver,
Okay.
gold.
Okay. Kulara is famous for gold and silver.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Kolara.
Kulara. Okay. Kulara is a district of Karnataka.
District of Karnataka.
So what's your
And then,
district? So Kulara, what's your district?
what's how many districts?
No. What's your district?
Our district is Gadag.
Gadar. Your district is Gadar.
Yes.
So you are coming from Gadar is a from village.
Gadag is one of the good district in Karnataka because popular in music only because yeah, Panchakshari Gavai,
Okay. This is a song name.
then Puttaraja Gavai,
Okay.
Pandit Bhim Singh Joshi, then Gangubai Hangala. Karnataka in Dharwada and Gadag, two cities only music is famous.
Okay.
And then Dharwad Feda. You taste a Dharwad Feda?
No. I don't know about I don't know about too much Karnataka.
Okay.
Yes.
Dharwad Feda is too good and very sweet Feda. And
Okay. This is a sweet. This is a sweet of Karnataka.
Karnataka, especially Dharwada.
Okay. So Darwada is a sweet
Yes.
of Karnataka, like a sweet dessert.
Yes.
Okay. So this is famous.
And then,
And
very
what food for famous?
food.
Food. Like idli sambar.
Okay, I understood.
Okay.
Idli Sambar, like down one state in Karnataka, one district in Karnataka, because district name is Davangere. It is famous in a benne dosa.
What dosa?
Benne dosa, like benne. it
Benne
means,
dosa.
Cream dosa, cream.
Cream
Butter,
dosa. Butter dosa. Okay.
butter meaning in a Kannada benne, then meaning in English butter.
Okay. Butter in what should we say in Kannada?
Benne.
Benne. It means butter.
Yes.
Okay, I get it.
Benne dosa and Davangere is very famous because I
So what is the price? What is the price of benne dosa in Karnataka?
price I don't know because I try 7th class or 6th or 5th because my study primary study in complete Davangere 1 to 10 complete Davangere. My education is complete in a Davangere district.
Okay.
After that, I complete a PUC, first PUC and second PUC and degree. I complete in a Gadag.
Okay. So how many percentage did you get in your 10th?
10th, 88.5 to 16.
88 point?
16.
That's good.
1/6. But otherwise, low. First, full high and then low.
So
Full low.
so and in your 12th?
And 12th, 83.66.
83.6. That's a good. You are both in both class. You are about the 80 percentage. Yes.
Then,
So I think you are good in study.
yes, I like literature, English literature and Kannada literature. I like a Kannada poetries. I like a Kuvempu. Do you know Kuvempu?
No, I don't know Kuvempu. What is this?
Do you like Kannada language? Do you feel I also learn Kannada?
Yes, I feel I should learn so many language like Kannada, Spanish. There are so many language, but I don't know about any Kannada.
You are studying 12th classes. So Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet. Yes, I heard about, but I don't know read study because your syllabus, your 12th syllabus is my 12th syllabus. Both are like different.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, yes.
Um, then English poet. I don't know. I only Kannada poets is no. I know, but English poets. Some people name is no, na. But
I heard about some poet's name like Robert. Start from Robert, something like that. A poet name.
um,
Yes, I don't know too much.
sorry, what are you asking?
I'm saying that I don't know about too much to like a poet of literature.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, yes. Because I now recently I don't teach literature. I don't study literature.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
But what kind of thing? Wow, which kind of thing you will study?
I study like I study like a math, English, science.
Yep. I don't know. I hate maths because very God, very
This is very
disgusting subject. I like I say when maths full form for you.
I don't know.
Okay. I am saying tell me. So I am tell me for you maths full form. Okay. Do you listen?
Yeah, no, no, I don't know. I don't know the full form of math. This is the whole name
Maths.
of mathematics.
But I
Mathematics.
know
Mathematics.
maths.
Mathematics.
Huh? Yes,
Is this the full
mathematics.
form?
Yes.
I think this is the full name of math.
Full name of
This is not the
maths.
full form of math.
It was very comedy. So please listen.
Okay, okay, tell me.
Max full form. Mental attack to healthy student. Ayyo, because very toughest subject in a student's max.
Yes, this is not a tough. So many things. This is not tough, but it is not a really tough. If we understand in deeply, so I can't think this is too hard.
Okay, do you teach me?
It will depend on my. It will depend on this advance. If you understand too much deep, so you will get the hard of math.
Okay, do you teach me max? Okay, I will learn.
Of course, I also don't know too much.
HCF, LCM,
SS,
what?
LCM, SCF, fraction.
Then yeah, LCM, HCF, and then multiplication, subtraction,
Yes,
then
this is the basic.
prime
This is the
prime
basic.
numbers, ordinary numbers, composite numbers, lot of things there. Na mental ability is a toughest subject in a competitive
In
field.
competitive exam, yes, yes.
Then
So your math is totally damaged. I think.
what are you say? I can't get it.
I'm saying your math is totally low.
Yes.
That's so. Which stream did you take in your 12th? Like I am from PCM in my 12th.
Arts.
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 Okay, so you took arts in your 12th.
Yes. 6 subject is there, na?
Okay, okay.
Uh, two subjects, language, Kannada and English.
Huh.
Then political science and history, and
So you are from art side. Okay,
yes, political science and history.
I'm from science side.
Science. Okay.
That's why
Chemistry.
your subject is different and my subject is different.
What subject you like?
I like mathematics, physics, chemistry, English. That type of subject I would like.
All subjects is like, na?
I know all about all subject, but I don't know too much in like political science, history, and geography. There are so many subjects, but my favorite subject is math, English, science, reasoning,
Okay.
logical math like reasoning.
Oh, reasoning.
Yes,
Okay.
and you know about you. So you know about history.
Yes, I know.
So something. Tell me the event. There's so much many voice.
But I can't remember chronology sometime.
Chronology. So you tell me the this kind of information that is really you should I know, but I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, tell me the like even just you tell me full form of mathematics, mental attack for like
Healthy students.
healthy student. But I don't know. I really I don't know about this thing. I should. I think I know the new thing from you.
I just comedy. I just
It's a comedy,
fun
but
for
it's a
me.
knowledgeable.
Fun for me. Uh, oh, I like the history, but sometimes chronology is.
So you tell me about the chronology. I don't know about chronology.
Chronology means sequence for number. Like India is independent day. 1947. Okay.
Yes, yes. 1947, we will get the freedom of the British rule.
Okay.
Yes, yes. That's
Then
the thing I know.
first Carnatic War, second Carnatic War, then third Carnatic War,
I
Anglo
don't know about the
Maratha.
Karnataka War, first Karnataka War, second Karnataka War, and third Karnataka War. I don't know about. I know about only first World War, second World War.
Uh, okay, I'm saying wrong. You first World War, second World War, then third World War.
You know about the chronology. In chronologist, what is which type of study? You study about chronology. What is the chronology? I don't
Yes.
know.
Chronology means some empires governor
Like
some
us.
governor sequence of number.
Okay, okay. So you
Like
study only
which time?
you study from the only book.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
and you know about only rectification like.
Ah.
Yes. So you don't know watch any videos from YouTube like Maharana Pratap and Akbar.
No, I don't watch
You don't know.
any video about him.
Okay, okay. Okay. So
I only watch music and
I
then
only watch.
Karnataka
Okay. You only watch music because you are
and
interested in music.
yes, yes, and literature related
So
videos.
I would know about. I would like to know about your singing Indian song from you,
India song.
which is so much famous.
India.
Indian music.
What are you saying? I can't get
I'm
it.
saying I want to listen from you
Okay. Uh,
Indian music, which is so much famous.
Currently, now.
Current. I'm not talking about the current. You what you know?
Which song? Which which language songs? Kannada or English, Telugu,
Hindi. If you know,
Hindi.
if you know the song of Hindi.
Now famous Durandar movie.
Yes,
No,
yes, yes. Dhurandhar movie I know. I watch.
two other songs.
Okay, you start. I don't know. You start. You start.
Then I don't I do not sing this song, but I listen to the song. Tu agar mere one song. Then
Okay. You continue your song.
okay. I was saying, Durandar movie is a lot of songs is there. Durandar movie.
So which song is your famous
Tu agar
in
Hindi.
Dhurandhar movie?
Our favorite, huh?
Yes, your favorite.
Our favorite. ಇದೆ तू अगर
Okay, okay. You start the song.
lyrics I can't remember that lyrics
So,
that song lyrics.
do you remember any song which you know the full lyrics and you can sing song?
Hindi song, no?
Hindi song, English song, both are you can sing.
Okay. Are you I am singing for you one Hindi song.
Okay, okay, okay.
I only sending the song, but I am again sing for you.
Okay, okay. Thanks for me.
Okay. किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे समझ के बिना समझ में सकूं सवेरों का मेरे दोस्तों बता दे तू मेरा कोई ना ओके भी कुछ लगे अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले मुझे अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया दिल की नगर में शहर तू बसा ले पिया.
Yes, you are
I
really
like
good
this.
song. Your voice is so good. I think this is a real song when you are singing this song. I think this is a real voice.
Hi, you.
That's a
Thank you.
very
Thank you.
great, yeah.
Uh, then I like a Hindi song. Then you
Yes, this
also
is a
tell
Hindi
me
song.
what. Yes, I sing a Hindi song for you, and you also tell me what which type of listen Hindi songs, please.
Actually, I don't know about any songs. Like if I don't know, what I tell you? I don't know really. I listen like this song is very this is very a good song, and
Tell me which song. I am watching your podcast. Very nice because my sister Purnima,
yes, Purnima something Reddy.
Purnima Malali.
Yes.
She's a very good sister for
She's
me.
also a good girl.
Yes, good girl. And then she is also preparing the competitive exams, but I am not.
She's preparing for
Because
army. She
Yes,
like the
yes.
army most.
She like army job, and she is very
Addicted to the
like
army.
a funny sister. Always she is watching reels. So I think poet or poem, Kannada meaning kavite.
Kavite.
Yes.
Poet, it means Kavite in Kannada.
Yes.
Okay.
So, I
I
like a
get it.
poet.
I only know two Kannada language, Kannada words. First is Benny, and second is Kavita.
Really? Then
First is Kavita. First is Benny. It means better, and second is Kavita.
kavite.
Kavita, it means poet.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
So-
good. That's very
Thanks.
good.
Okay. So, how should we ask in Kannada if we want to ask something? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where are you live? Where are you come from? Where do you live? Do you understand?
I live
Listen. Do you understand Hindi?
I understand, but little bit.
तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Do you get it? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? तुम कहाँ रहते
Yan,
हो? Okay.
I am
Listen.
staying in a Gadal.
तुम कहाँ रहते हो? In English, where do you live?
Where do you live?
So
Okay.
how can we say in Kannada this thing?
Okay, I understand. Okay, where in a live? Yellidira.
What?
Yellidira.
Yelli idira.
Oh, nice. That was very nice. And pronunciation also good. You are Kannada. Kannada language.
I think I should learn.
Okay. Now we are you are my English teacher. I am your Kannada teacher.
I am not an English teacher. I am just English. I am just your friend.
Oh, okay.
I
am
also
your-
don't know too much about English.
Okay. Now you our English friend. I am your Kannada friend. Okay.
Okay. This is right. This is good. So, do you know Hindi?
Yes, I
So,
know Hindi.
what thing,
I understand.
can you speak something Hindi? Can you speak something in Hindi?
I speak a little bit, but which like kaise ho?
Kaise ho?
Hegidira. It means
Yes.
Kannada. Kaise ho means hegidira in Kannada.
Idira in Kannada.
Hegidira.
Okay.
How are you?
Yes. How are you?
Hegidira. Kannada.
And something else in Hindi?
Hindi something else. I आपको ठीक हो ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್
Okay. आप ठीक हो. Like मैं ठीक हूँ. So how should we say in Hindi? How should we say in Kannada?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
Tell me whole.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್
ನಾನು I don't get it. Please slow.
ನಾನು
ನಾನು
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
Yes.
Nanu Chennagi. It means I am
me.
fine.
Super. Your Kannada pronunciation too much good.
Okay, thanks. Good. I don't know about Kannada, but I just you same. I when you say something, I will repeat only. So, do you explore in temple?
Temple?
Yes, yes. This is famous.
No, no, no. I don't like a god.
You don't like God.
And I'm, I'm not believe. I'm not believe God.
You don't believe in God. Okay, okay. So why do you?
Yes.
Why? This is why.
Because I'm not
There is some
God.
reason, na? There is some reason, na?
Okay. Uh, I do you believe Andre? Do you believe a God?
I am.
Huh.
Yes.
Okay, but I am not because evidence and proof God exists. God is here. Really?
So you think
I don't.
you think God is not here.
Yes.
You think God is
God
not
is.
here,
Yes.
but you cannot
God is.
prove.
Huh?
But you cannot prove.
Not true. God is here. I don't know. I don't know. God is here, but I am not a believer God. And then how? Where is a God?
Okay, okay. Listen,
True.
you only
True
tell me.
and witness.
You only you don't believe in God. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
and you cannot prove the God is not here.
Yes. Yes.
Is not here.
When proof God is here, then I am believe.
So what about your mother? Your mother also don't believe in God.
Mother, my family is very sincere. Uh, believe God, but I am not.
You are the only one in your
I am the
family.
only.
So yeah. So
You can read you can read Richard Dawkins God the books.
yes, yes, yes. So if this is not about your knowledge. Okay, according to your knowledge, you don't believe in God.
Yes.
According to your knowledge, but we are not too much educated. Okay, you get it my point.
Um, get it, but little bit saying.
I am saying we are not too much educated.
Oh
We are
yes,
not too much educated, and I, according to our knowledge, your knowledge, according to your knowledge, you don't believe in God,
yes.
but you don't prove the God. You don't prove you cannot prove there is no God.
Yes,
Yes, you get my point.
yes, yes,
So you cannot say there is no God.
yes,
You only say you can say I don't believe in God. That's according to my knowledge. Okay,
yes, yes.
that's the and I we have not too much knowledge. We are not too much educated. We are not too much high, and we are not too much educated students.
Okay.
Something we know about we about know new thing. We about know about God. That type of our mind is absorbed the education. So
Sorry,
what's your age?
I can't get it. Sorry.
So I am saying, how old are you?
How?
How old are you?
How old are you? Okay. Um, I'm 21 years old.
You are 21
20
years
years.
old. Okay. So why are you? Matlab, it means you have not too much age. You are not too much age. 21 is a age, but you are. This is not too much. So tell me, what do you think about the age? If someone is elder than you, okay, are you getting my point?
Yes.
I'm saying if someone is
Elder than.
elder than you. So what do you think about that person? This is this is more educated from you. What your thought? What do you think? I'm not asking about you to tell me the right. What do you think about?
Um,
Okay, listen. I will again explain. Suppose you two person. Okay, first
Two person.
First is 21 years old. Second is 30-year-old.
Okay.
So, which person is more educated?
Um, it is depend upon. It is not depend upon our
Age.
age.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
It is.
alva- uh,
Okay, okay. So, other.
because we are only we are consider our age. No, only we are consider of not age only. Okay.
We cannot consider only based on only age.
Based on only age because uh,
So, how should we consider
we are consider like
education?
our speaking style, then our
Yes, our speaking style and
and
our
experience,
what
experience and our
experience. So I think. So what do you think? If someone is elder than you, so he has too much. He has more experience from you.
sorry.
I'm asking about. I'm asking you. If someone is elder than you, so he has more experience from you.
Uh,
Are you get it?
yes.
So I think this is too much hard. This is too much logically.
Logically. Sorry, I can't get it.
I'm asking you. How many siblings have you got? How many brothers and
Uh,
sisters have you got?
okay. I have three sisters.
Okay. So they totally are elder than you.
Elder, one sister elder, two sister younger.
So how many elders? How many elder?
First one is, and I have one brother.
You have one brother. Okay. So you are totally uh, five siblings.
Yes, five.
Four girls and one boy.
Yes.
Okay. So do you tell me about something South heroes? Not
South
South heroes.
heroes.
Not you. Yes, you come from South.
Yes.
Okay, you come from South India. So what heroes famous there?
Time I watch.
When you free.
Most of the time I spending my time only literature book, only music.
Only music. You. I think you want to be a future. You want to be a singer in your future.
No. I want to become a optional Kannada lecturer.
So listen, you sing a small time sing song, and you should upload Insta reels because your voice is so nice. Yes,
Yes.
this is your talent. This is your skill. This skill have you got.
Yes.
So I think you should upload.
One thing I say, music is my voice, but literature in my soul.
That's great. But literature. I'm not telling you you give too much. You give whole time to your music.
Yes.
I'm saying sometimes you should give music and sometimes you should give your literature.
Yes.
And
I
you should upload your Insta reels.
Yes.
If you have voice, if you have a good voice, so you should upload, and you should represent your voice.
Yes.
Yes.
And I sing one Kannada song for you.
Okay. Tell me, sing.
Just you listen, but
But I can't
you
get.
can,
I can't get it your song, but I feel the song.
I sing that
Okay.
point.
Continue.
Okay. ತಂಗಾಳಿಯ ಆಲಾಪವೇ ಇಸೋ ಮಾತಿನ ಶೃಂಗಾರವೇ ಆಕಾಶದಾಚೆ ನವಿಲಾಗಿ ಕುಣಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೆ ನೀ ತಾಳಮೇಳವೇ ಮನದಾಳದಿ ಗುಡುಗು ಸಿಹಿಯಾದ ಸ್ವರದ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಡಿನ ಶ್ರುತಿ ನೀನೆ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ ಒಲವೇ 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 ಈ ನದಿಗೆ ಕಡಲಾಗಿರುವೆ ಒಲವೇ 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 ನನ್ನಿ ಜೀವಾನೆ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿರುವೆ
Good, very good. Your voice is really so nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, you should represent your voice.
Mhm.
Your voice is so sweet and so clear.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, really. And so, how have you experienced? How have you experienced to this conversation?
This conversation,
Yes.
very cute, and sometimes conversation with you, because my English is low, no? But I'm today I'm saying okay, okay.
Not okay. You are good in English.
Sorry.
Not okay. You are good in English. You are also good in English, and you try to speak in English. And
Yes,
you also
yes.
know your mother tongue is Kannada.
Kannada.
Okay, and after that you will speak in English. This,
Yes.
and you are a great singer, I know, and you sing some songs for me.
Uh, I also, please, you can teach English and Hindi for me,
Okay, I
because
will
I
teach.
like, because
Don't worry.
I like Hindi language and English also.
That's good, and you
Okay.
should you know three languages: Hindi, English, Kannada.
But
Little bit, but you know.
yes,
And
but when I speak,
I also only
but
two language: English and Hindi. I don't know any about Kannada.
okay,
And you tell me some words in Kannada.
Kannada. Hi and hi means namaste.
Hi means namaste.
In Hindi, namaskaro.
Yeah, in Hindi namaskar.
Hindi namaskar.
Okay,
And,
I think namaste also a Hindi.
Namaste also Hindi, but Namaskar is a Hindi. Namaste Kannada. Hi in English.
Okay. And
Then
most of the person say namaste, not say namaskar, not say.
yes,
Only say namaste.
Namaste. Then
And now in this
hey,
generation, we can say only hi, hello, not say namaste, namaskar.